Feeling stuck, overwhelmed, or just looking for a way to bring more positivity into your life? You're in the right place. Today on Clear Voice Wallish, we're exploring how the simple act of speaking positively to yourself, yes, talking to yourself, can actually reshape your reality. This is the power of positive affirmations. Let's dive in. Positive affirmations are short, powerful statements that you say to yourself, out loud or in your mind, to shift your thoughts and emotions towards something more empowering. They help retrain your brain. Neuroscience shows that our brains build new pathways based on repetition. So when you repeat things like, I am confident, I am capable, I am enough, you're not just saying words, you're rewiring your mindset. So what can affirmations really do for you? Boost your self-confidence, reduce anxiety and self-doubt, help you stay focused on your goals, encourage a growth mindset, increase resilience when life gets tough. I started using affirmations during a stressful time, and it wasn't instant magic, but over time I noticed more clarity, more calm, and a lot less self-criticism. Now let's talk about how to actually create affirmations that work. Keep it positive. Say what you want, not what you don't. I am calm and focused. I'm not anxious today. Use the present tense. Speak as if it's already true. I am confident in every situation. Be specific. Connect the affirmation to a goal. I speak clearly and confidently in English. Make it personal. What do you want to believe about yourself? Want to know the secret to making affirmations actually work? Consistency. Let's talk about how to add them into your day. Say them out loud in the mirror every morning. Write 3 affirmations in your journal at night. Use sticky notes on your mirror, laptop, or phone. Record your affirmations and listen to them daily. Pair them with visualization for a stronger impact. You can even use affirmations in English learning. I am improving every day. I speak English with confidence. Learning is easy for me. Yes, it works for language goals too. Affirmations are powerful, but they're even more effective when combined with other positive habits. Practice mindfulness or meditation. Keep a gratitude journal. Take care of your physical body. Spend time with supportive people. Affirmations aren't about pretending everything is perfect. They're about reminding yourself of your strength and possibilities, especially on hard days. Remember, your words shape your world. So speak kindly to yourself, consistently and confidently. Start with just one affirmation a day. Say it, believe it, and watch your mindset shift. What's one affirmation you'll start using today? Type it in the comments. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Clear Voice English, and check out our playlist on English for self-development. Thanks for watching, and keep speaking your truth, one positive word at a time.